Yeah, so today I'm going to talk as regards uh, sex counseling, psychosexual counseling, and the client. Yeah. So yes. So what are the reasons? Reason number one is that first there is a ignorance, a huge amount of ignorance because of lack of sex education and sex information. Uh, People do not know that they are suffering from sexual problem in the first place. So lack of awareness, okay, you can say there is a blind spot. No sex education, no information. So how they can detect in the first place that there is something wrong with them? And from anything from cancer of the sexual organ to basically enjoyment with and of one's own sexuality, whether homosexual or whether a man or whether a woman, okay. Second, so ignorance, yeah, ignorance, is it a bliss? No, it is not a bliss. I fully deny with it, okay, because it is, you are neglecting the problem, and neglecting any problem is dangerous in this world. Then comes the denial, that they are aware but they deny. Okay, simple example, even diabetes is denied, the sugar level is high. How can I get a diabetes? Okay, so how can I have a sexual problem? Or the in-laws and parents think, how can my daughter or my son have some problem as regards intercourse? How can they go for a divorce because of these reasons? So on and so forth. Another thing is that there is somehow resistance because of some unknown thing, and they have a taboo that going to a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a counselor or sex therapist or a sex counselor means that something is grossly wrong with them. Such is not the case. It is not that we do counseling only for crisis. Counseling can be done for development of anything, growth, progress of anything, and to help them, to guide them to know that how you can derive pleasure and gratification and happiness and satisfaction and mental peace out of anything in this life. Okay, it's a value addition in one way. So people have this notion, and they have counseling, that's why is having a taboo, that there is some defect, there is some basic weakness, मुझ में कुछ खोट है, and there is a gross problem, and I will be labeled with that, and they themselves label. So this is one thing. And the attitude is that I don't care. They choose not to value the importance of sex in their life and the beauty of sex in their life. So they don't value it. Then they are having sort of a guilt and a shame and shyness and embarrassing feeling and awkward feeling as to how I am supposed to talk, how I am supposed to voice out this, how I am supposed to connect with the doctors. Uh, and I think equally, probably it is reverse way also, in the sense that a doctor should make the client or the patient comfortable to such an extent that the person should feel that I can confide in him. That should be assured. And sometimes they do not know to whom they should approach. Many a times they have been victimized by quacks. They have paid huge sum of money. मराठीमध्ये म्हण आहे ना, ताक पण फुंकून पिणं. So it is something like that. Or they are not victimized, but they just do not want to give time, money, and resources to the counseling process. They will give all the time and money and resources for their addictions and sexual addictions and pornography and for cigarette and for uchi daru and for just what I can say, squandering the money. They squander their time and money, but they won't give time to the important things in life and to their own problems in life. Only they will do only firefighting and crisis fighting only when the sexual problem, it has to be dealt with when it is important, isn't it? In the important quadrant. And they will go only when it has become urgent and important. Yeah, urgency addicts and important addicts. When somebody gets sexually abused or sexually harassed, or there is a infertility or non-consummation of marriage, then only they will go. Yeah, एनहांसमेंट काउंसलिंग भी कुछ चीज़ रहती है ना, तो मनोविकास रहता है, हर बार मनोविकार रहता है ऐसा नहीं है। मनोविकार के लिए जाना या लैंगिक विकार के लिए जाना ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है ना, लैंगिक विकास के लिए भी आप जा सकते हो ना। तो ये है, एंड दे डू नॉट नो द टेक्निक्स of how to apply, and yeah, so these many reasons are there that why a person doesn't approach a counselor, sexual counselor or a therapist, or even a psychological counselor or therapist. Yeah.